Hey guys, it's Beth. Today I'll be using these Christmas window clings that I got from Amazon, a lantern, and some cutting mats from Dollar Tree. I started by taking my pruning shears and just cutting off the little stars from within the lantern, and then just using my blade to get the excess that it was left behind from cutting them off. Now I am using one that came from summertime, but they have them for all different seasons. And then I use my sanding block to get rid of any of the leftover pieces on the edges. And then took just one of the chopping mats from inside the package and kind of just marking off one side of the lantern and using my square to make those markings and cutting that piece out. And then once I had it cut just about to size, I tried to place it in so it will be on the inside of the lantern against the edges. And then I just trimmed it up to get it to fit. And then once I had it trimmed to size, I made sure that it fit all four sides. Took that one I cut and taped it to the rest of the chopping mat and cut 3 more pieces. So I needed 4 total. Once I had all of them cut, I took each piece and I applied Mod Podge to just one side, and then I placed down one of the window clings. And again, these window clings came from Amazon. It comes with 9 sheets and they're just very adorable. They have like a vintage look. So I just placed one of those down, which I'll have to trim that up after, and then just continued for each piece, putting different window clings on each one. Once I had all the window clings on each piece, I used my heating tool to dry that layer completely. I then trimmed up the one that has the Santa on it, that has the window cling hanging over. So I just trimmed up that excess on there and then did an outer layer of Mod Podge on top of that whole side. And again, using my heating tool to dry those completely. Next, I took tacky glue, which you can get from Dollar Tree, and I used a paintbrush to apply it. And I'm applying it to the inside corners and the bottom and top edge of the lantern, just doing one side at a time. So once I applied it completely around one side, I placed down one of my window clings, making sure that the window cling is facing outward. And then just use my heating tool just a little bit just to kind of dry the tacky glue just slightly and pushing down the window cling on all of the inside edges. And then I repeat that for all 4 sides. And this is what it looks like so far. And then I just set that aside and let it dry for about half an hour before I continued on, just to make sure the glue was nice and dry. And then I took this Snow Tex, which I get from Amazon, and just used a paintbrush and took just little bits of it and applied it to the bottom of each side of the lantern, so right below the window cling. And at first I was just gonna do just the bottoms of each part of the window cling, but then I decided to kind of make a snow border. So I took the Snow Tex pretty much and made a border of it around each window cling. And then I just went around and cleaned up the snow text on the lantern edges. And so you'll need to let that dry for a little bit. But then all I did was just place back on the top of the lantern. It just clips back on. And that's it for this project. Thank you guys so much for watching.